Hi guys, so I wanted to make this video, comparison video about this BM800 condenser microphone and the Maono PD200X. So the Maono PD200X is really nice. I like it. It has a very deeper kind of sound. And then I wanted to make a videos and to get a sense of how good this is compared to that. And this BM800 mic is only about 1000 rupees. And I'm making this video again because the other day I was recording it and I later realized that the video had some hiss sound whenever I spoke. So, and just to be fair with the BM800 microphone, I wanted to redo this. I'm sorry, I have a bit of a cold today. But yeah, that is how it is. This is the BM800 condenser microphone, and what you hear now will be the Maono PD200X. Let me know which sounds better. Check. 1, 2, 3, check. Sorry. Hi. So now I'm recording through the Maono PD200X. The sound earlier you heard from the condenser microphone. Now this is from this dynamic microphone. Which one do you like? This is the Maono PD200X, which I recently bought. This is about 4,000 bucks. This is about 800 or 900, maybe 1,000 rupees. So this is about 1,000, 4 times more than this price. So let me know. Check. 1, 2, 3, check. This is the Maono PD200X. So hi guys, I just wanted to compare the sounds of this microphone, which is the BM800 condenser microphone, and the my new microphone, the Maono PD200X. So what you're hearing now is from this microphone,